Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and I am here with my friend's flock of ducks and chickens and a 5 pound bag of Hatortempt mealworms. My friend was so excited when I said I had a bag of food for her flock to give to her, and let me tell you, they love this stuff. They have been following me around the yard as I walk around with this bag. The babies came up to me, they ate out of my hand. It was so cute watching them take it directly from my hands. I just loved it. These mealworms are exactly that, mealworms. There's no other ingredients. They're dried out, so there's no smell, there's no sliminess. So as long as you can handle having bugs in your hand, if they're not alive, then you're going to be fine feeding these to your animals. Now, I'm not a farmer. I have a dog and I have cats, but I have never had any birds or goats or things like that. So even someone like me, a city girl, was able to easily feed these to the animals without getting too grossed out. They are so excited to get their daily treat. In fact, that's how she calls them. She says, treat, 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 and all the birds come running. So if you're a farmer or a backyard farmer or a hobbyist, or you just like to go to the pond, then these Hatortempt dried mealworms are going to be a surefire win for the birds that you're feeding. They are just going to flock to you and they're going to love it. And that's my point of view.